Hey everyone, it's Tropics here with another video. We have we have a Pacific 2025 uh, Typhoon season video. So, what do we have today? We have another tropical storm got named today. I think it's Bailu. This is warning number 5. Position currently 33.3 north, 141.8 east. Moving at north-northwest at 28.7 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds 40.2 miles per hour. We'll hop back over to the air for a minute, and we'll show you what it's gonna do. So it it's very close to Japan. Just be a 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, and then a 35. Anyway, that being said, we'll hop over to Zoom Earth, and then this video will be ending. Okay, so this is the storm right now. It currently has a pressure of 998. It's probably expected to be maybe a what is this? A extratropical system, maybe by the 5th. So yeah, people who live in Japan, please take this caution, for the love of God. If this system is very close to you guys, so you guys maybe could experience some rip currents. So please take this as a caution for you guys. That being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX here, signing out, and we'll stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.